of Sherry Faye Smith, and Larry Gene Bell was served with a death notice, which means that Saluda County would be seeking the death penalty. On September 4th, 1985, the same conviction of Alexis Graves, the kidnapping of Deborah May
Oh my God!
Again, prosecutors
Oh
would
my
seek the
God!
death penalty.
Oh my God!
Liz Shuler notes in her...
Oh my God!